Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the UPWORK Outreach Mastery course, How to Attract High Quality Leads Using UPWORK. So I wanted to take you into just two accounts in this example as to why you should be using UPWORK and why it's a great place to attract high quality leads and why it's something you should include in your lead generation activities. I'm presently managing 7 accounts and we like to only keep a maximum of 10 each quarter, just so we can focus on generating results. So this is a client account that I have been managing, or I should say we have been managing since January, and it is presently July 2024 as you're watching this. And as you can see, just have a look at the dates each month consistently. My client actually closed this client, so that's one up, close this client. Yeah, I'm not going to go too much into the conversations just to protect the privacy of the projects. But if you just look on the side, these are all leads who are interested in Google Ads for because that's what my client is offering. So just continue to scroll down. These are all conversations. If you have a look here, my client closes every single month since January, since we've been running this UPWORK outreach for them. May was a very busy month. So yeah, it's just a consistent, I'm not going to go all the way to January, but as you can see, conversations are happening every month. My client is closing every month. And yeah, so I'm actually going to take you into my account here on this other screen. And actually I can take you into the details because this is my personal. Yeah, so you can see I'm having conversations. This one hasn't led. I can go into more detail on this one. This one hasn't led to a meeting yet, but the meeting's coming. And yeah, hi, we found someone new to do. We found someone to do this. Best of luck. You know, can you share an invite? Blah blah blah. By the way, guys, it doesn't always just lead to a meeting. Like we had some back and forth. This one even gave a test. They actually gave a test, and I just completed the test because I had the time. And yeah, the meeting's next week, Wednesday. So we've got Gabriel here. As you can see, I just had a meeting with this guy. What's the present date? The present date is 12th of July. So I just had a meeting with this guy a few days ago. I don't think anything will come out of that one. It seems like he was just looking for information. And yeah, you have to get used to that as well. People are just going to hop on calls to extract free information out of you. That's what some people do. They actually have no intention of buying. They're just trying to learn or to help their own initiatives. Matthew Pollard, I'm just having a look at this one. I typically don't share statistical data. I haven't heard back from this guy. He was asking for statistical data from previous clients. By the way, I should have mentioned that I'm email marketing services, lead generation services through the power of email. So yeah, he was asking to show, and I said, look, my other clients have a different service. We run the campaigns at a different time. There's no point in me sending over the results of a previous client when your business is completely different. So you don't have to it's okay to challenge people. That's what I'm saying. This is someone who turned into a long-time client that I now operate with outside of the platform. You do get some spam ones, but as you can see, I'm just going to go through the dates. Every single month, I'm speaking with someone. This is June now. This is May. So you can see that this is very, very lucrative. And if you're not getting opportunities with, perhaps you're running Facebook ads, Google ads to get clients. Perhaps you're doing LinkedIn, Instagram outreach, Facebook outreach, cold calling. Cold calling is absolutely horrible. You can just hop on here, and the next thing I would say is cold email. So yeah, I've been using UPWORK since 2021, I think. So I'm 3 years on the platform. Yeah, hop on it. You need to. You make a lot more money.